Exploring Visual Studio.net 2008. Visual Studio.net 2008 is just like an editor provided by Microsoft to help developers to write .NET programs more easily. VS.NET Editor allows developers to drag and drop controls to a form, and also provides shortcuts to compile and build the application more easily. Now let's see how to open a Visual Studio.NET 2008 program and how to use components of Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Go to the Start menu and click All Programs. Click Microsoft Visual Studio 2008 and click Microsoft Visual Studio 2008. Now, we are in Microsoft Development Environment Start page. The Start page contains various sub-windows, such as Recent Projects, Getting Started, Visual Studio Headlines, and MSDN window. The Recent Projects window displays the list of recently opened projects. Well then, let's open a new and existing project in IDE. Now, there are two ways to open a new and existing project in Visual Studio 2008. First off, click Project in Create, or go to File menu and click New and Project. If you want to open an existing project, then click Project in Open, or go to File and click Open and Project Solution. Now then, let's start with a new project. So, go to File menu and click New and Project. Here it contains two main columns, namely Project Type and Templates, respectively. Project Type contains the three main objects, namely Visual C#, other languages, and other project types, respectively. When you expand each of the nodes, you'll get various application development tools. Now we can select the type project in Template column. Right then, click Windows in Project Types and Windows Form Application in Templates, and then give a name for your application. Then go ahead and press OK. Now we are in Form1.cs. Now by default, the IDE contains Toolbox, Solution Explorer, and Properties window. If you want to save the file, go to File menu and select the Save Form1.cs, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl and S. We'll discuss about Toolbox, Solution Explorer, and Properties windows in upcoming lessons. After creating the application, if you want to run it, use the Start Debugging button, or simply press the F5 key. I've given you an outline about Visual Studio IDE in this lesson. We'll be discussing more about them in the upcoming lessons. Working with Solution Explorer. In this lesson, we're going to discuss Visual Studio 2008 Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, with basic components. Here, we're going to see how to open Solution Explorer. Well then, open the Visual Studio.NET 2008 Start page. Go to File menu and click New. Then click Project. It will show you a new project window. Click Visual C# in Project Types, and then click Windows Form Application in Templates. Now, give a name for your application, and then click OK. Now it will show you your new Windows application and Form1.cs. Actually, the Solution Explorer, Properties window, and Toolbox are placed at the rightmost corner of the Visual Studio IDE. Just click Solution Explorer. It will show you a Solution Explorer window with node elements. Initially, it contains the application node. When you click the application node, it will show you four basic elements, namely Properties, References, Form1.cs, and Program.cs files by default. Properties contains three main files, and those are Assembly Info, Resources, and Settings. and the reference node contains basic namespaces, namely system and system.core, system.data, system.drawing, system.windows.forms, system.xml, and system.xml.linq. Next off is form1.cs. If you want to change the name of the form, just right-click on the form1.cs node, and then click the Rename option and give the name for your form. If you wish to create a new form, then go to Solution Explorer. There, right-click on the window, then click Add a New Item. This will show you an Add New Item window. Click the icon and then click Add. It will create a new web form in our application. If you can't see the Solution Explorer in IDE, then go to View menu and click Solution Explorer. The shortcut key for opening a Solution Explorer window is Control and the letters W and S. Now, in our next lesson, we're going to discuss Toolbox and Properties windows.